Hi friends, welcome to Ftopreview.com. In this video, we're learning how to turn off adaptive connectivity on Google Pixel 7a. So it is very simple. You can simply open your menu, then get the settings application. You can see here, open that settings application. After that, select network and internet. Then you can see option of adaptive connectivity. Tap on the text, then open these sections. But adaptive connectivity actually extends your battery life and improve your device performance by automatically managing your network. So simply tap on that button and then you can simply turn off the settings. Okay, so whenever you activate these settings on your phone, then the device automatically managing your networks, like switching between mobile network and Wi-Fi networks. Which one is stronger? That will be selected. Okay, so it will be causes some problems, like if you are in room, then it will be connected to your Wi-Fi network, and you go outside of your house, it will be switched to mobile network sometimes. So there is some phones like iPhone 17, some kind of device create some problems that immediately switch networks, so that will be cause some problems to your applications because of every application is working on sessions, and your internet connectivity will be changed, that section will be cut off, so it will be create some problems sometimes. So if you have some problems with that, you can simply turn off these settings from here. So that's guys very simple tutorial. And if you need any kind of Android or iPhone tutorial, just comment below. I will post my replies as videos so you can easily watch and understand it. And if you enjoyed this video, please like, comment, share, and subscribe our channel for getting more videos like this. Thank you so much for watching. Have a nice day. Bye bye.